dem kotnas ye me nwanwa na me nan su da say NDC public members dey swati aba be do sesebra because ye won kophobia omutimi ba be gina radio so ka kire Ghana fo nyina say ya lucky dollar no she dem dollar na be me agye be radio so a confidence am de kasa no because you leader bia or you head of economic management no timi manager ya lucky city ni she ho a e ma ono atimi ba bonten ba beka and then me betina si na NDC fo a na from incompetence na NDC fo timi achi dollar na na be gina say no one to be very honest with you akoya se book bi a ye kan ye nkwala brem ni ye kan book bi obi ba jeki uni mo ba jeki
fa ho nyina to form
dabi na Krupa Lions any Red Lions no mo ko bobo no mo player bi wori afraid obi ba jeki obedwa na num sa ball no ye di Krupa Lions ye be shamo 3000 ye ko duru park so a obi ba jeki amese poto
bono to so
enei no ye mu bi ye tena se ne ye ko akire ne ye be hwe de ye ko so me to me still I see NDC no incompetence no is still glaring but the point is that today what are we seeing with what is the dollar rate now what is happening ye obi ba JK for na na ye say omudi animu ananka omutimi lock dollar shed dem an empie na no mo wai ne de akoshe Russia Ukraine war ye ka na mfa ne de afa na mo ye dollar idan it was one of the fundamental issues that play a role in this election 2024 minya obi o ka chem say mo flag bearer onu assure ye say onu there when it comes to management of the city and the dollar and the economy nobody can beat him say ye economy MPP ye symposium na ye obi ba JK be gina ho no man lecture no a the NDC ba bia bubu agu fam but it go to a point afei na ye obi ba JK ya the question be towards obi ba JK ko answer no dia fadigita na afei Ghana for hunu de ekọ hey we were running away from the real issue of the economy and the city and we were running away from it meboa intermediate de ye me nwanwa man so da ye say NDC for private ma be manage dollar ama nei businessman bi be catch say catch them say mo tutumu nioma yi na the way a nioma si kron enkofo we mu etimi we need the goodwill of the Ghanaian people no matter what unu de enti say obi ase ye ya yenko defend sa petrol omudi abeya omudi $1 to so ya it's difficult because if you are a communication strategist very difficult for you to go and defend as an MPP. What is your moral right to go and defend this? Because the point is that all the Ghanaian people wanted to see the dwindling of the dollar against the cedi strength against the dollar. Businessman no cry they free China no or they bad the all share say dollar no ni cedi no cedi ni jina na so ani ho odin against the dollar. A majority of the business people, that's what we're looking for. Yes, you need to be by JK so. Say, Sabi, ye be unu say, BB koso na dollar ni bet manage. Man so diet da. Say NDC with this management of the economy and they share koso. And then we have to be honest. Say, me as an MPP person, me who says that situation happen based on your credentials in your mind when we're in opposition talking about competence in managing the economy and managing the city, you know. Now shed the air cost we are me who are my ferry because share will be a petrol station. The paruka catcher say you dollar about for me there. So could deal levy kurana a year on phone.
Sana ni panaka.
Yes, when you be by JK theory so. Debbie. When you practical leadership strategy no mama and neutralizing nyoma bebre when neutralizing nyoma bebre oko kasesi a ye ni book ye ni anim wey ye ni anim otu committee odi wani hwade bi saa ye communication meeting I told them say your flag bearer is trying to deviate from the issues of the economy on confront to number out to me apologize. Catch them so bodam for crowd and tibida. You call digital house economy. Ebinu be catch say they know the inside and out of the economy. They know how to manage the economy. They know how to grab the city and give the key to the IGP.
Dr. Bawumia during the thank you tour no e kan say na dwuma oyeye especially dollar yemfa gold enkonkoto oil ne ade no eno na ama ene sidi no enya ho.
Can you go and explain to the ordinary Ghanaian?
That's ono kan.
There we go and explain to the ordinary Ghanaian. Dubuahiyama may vice president of the Republic of Ghana for 8 years. Mumusa Chadubuahiyama mebe bua mo amunimu no historians obiani. Jay Kufuor the same thing. Jay Kufuor wa meye obi the only thing oya say foreign minister Adabuzia. And no any vice president or they compare and obi oya running mate for a popular politician or compare with the difference. Nanado Danko Kufuor wa ma meye obi running mate and some be the vice president. And sana ye electing as a flag bearer. When it comes to key fundamental things a woman and they say yeah the candidate are elections. The reason why Jay Kufuor Kufuado Dubuahi ni say MPP account party NDC Mahama Babonte be ka kire nyina say o de mu minua Dr. Bawumia odi mochi o de di o machi eduru say leadership ba MPP for few they will never vote for you and MPP delegates Enya Reshemu said, no, we are not an account party. No, we will not accept this. We have a vice president who is a Muslim. We have a vice president who is a northerner. We want to prove to every Tom, Dick, and Harry, say, we are not. And again, the party will get more votes from the North and the Zongo community to complement Ashanti and other strongholds of the MPP. Meboa. And MPP for their honkika any near day any a kotu abanu boom even though there was an establishment support and remember how and on the man now check the data no and I'm the man no TNE our candidate didn't call 2024 election he lost onya 0 over 30 polling stations in the northern region 0 Adubuahi Jay Kufuor Utie Adubuahi Jay Kufuor Nanado Danko Kufuor none of these candidates are free north enya 0 sir in over 30 polling stations and that's the main reason why we wanted to prove Mahama that we have a northern candidate like him we have a Muslim candidate meboa but yet our candidate now or see your man a second chance no he got 0 in over 30 polling stations.
And not just saying.
Polling stations are one northern region, no? 3 northern regions, no? 30. Unya 0.
Until sa 0 no nya no HSA.
HSA. Na me ubebuza me. Ko buza no e.
HSA dey bent na so say because say mo na munya sa gidie no say. Meba. O ka ho. Ya munya gidie say Zongo communities no say mo de Dr. Bawumia ba on beto aba e de amamo. Muslims e beto aba e de amamo. Yet mo de naba na se mo akọ bakodi ntwo ayete sa na me busa se e de benti na kire se nipa na muzu se mo benya vote free na mo anya no e kire mo se den
well you go and ask the party delegates
o ka ho e kire mo se den
go and ask the party delegates
we are delegate
me ba so enye no nko a
okay
Akufuado e ba power the first thing abra oye and it's over set up a Zongo community because we thought we have that kind of MPP MPSM Zongo for MPSM ntida no say dey you push an agenda of Zongo community development never boa whole ministry was established you have a vice president who was having oversight responsibility as a running mate and a leader what na say I running mate for 8 years I was a vice president you say this time the Zongo hold here you be fan fala in fact on one club bigina ka say the Dr. Bawumia badia Zongo and the northern region you be fan form I was so happy because me and me in particular God is my witness the only argument I was always making is that once we have a candidate who is from the north and candidate for the first time who is a Muslim we will sweep
and on that TV so no
the north the Muslim votes and the Zongo votes now check the statistics apart from Winiba Zongo you lose all the Zongos in the country. I'm saying you have an electric magnetic strategy. anything my hono nyame edi ye ho afofie. We lost all the Zongos apart from Winiba Zongo. Eti you a delegate. These are the facts. Dr. Bawumia, I love him. He's an intellectual. He's a smart guy. But these are the facts. And as a political analyst and a political scientist, me feel say a big problem as a political party. So person call it to an election and you want to win an election and you want to go and recycle the same problem and go out there. Because total rejection rate, I know, analysis, was almost about 71.2% rejection rate across the country for our candidate. The analogy I know and a Kennedy Japan, nano medi post we betu hui, or mudima temo ona Kennedy Japan is here a candidate. How can Kennedy Japan be president? You are not sensible than the Americans. Donald Trump was they look America for no media no a friend say he's a riffraff. No for the teabusa. Somebody that they can't even imagine him being the president. But Americans say they can see a leader in him. Oh, Papa Wena, didi we atem no didi one atem. O the mon check it in Japan. Banta or no be any biano. It was because of MPP. Oh, one meka as someone Ghana in general. And fan one because of MPP and Ghana fighting for justice for people. One the catch us all the kokromote kwa iya and fast to nya kwan. Asante for the bus abeno. Udi kokromote kwa iya ya de sutro ne ja kwan. Ena wan na pofo asempa kodo. Ah, papa na kuma ena unyo obia or passion for people the love that he has for people no. Ohun yo ma bia na any time. Ana me ozu bemba me na mo zenko fo bebrese menye. Ah, enso so hu abeka no Ghana ha part of society no hu ade na say o ma me bakra na aka say a yes o nye ba de o once na hu o ma wiei e bitimi dani boja hu hwan anajo e be na me buntieni o ye onkofo bu an once na hu o ma wia o mutimi dani boja hu hwan anajo se de Ghana fo ka e na me ozu bempa ma betra ha me ka kire wo na Ghana fo ese MPP amanyoku yemfa Kennedy Japan mra.
So what Europe and America was in this Kadiaba Ghana they send with money transfer no and I make count for a day amount. Send network ben no use wait me a day ascend it. So we send it a day a good mobile money wallet and as a bank account so a day many per chrono wait to me a day ascend it. Now I was any just say oh first transaction no ubenya a $20 free. The answer will be using a promo code JSXM2 and a desk screen so offer or first transaction ubenya a $20 free. Meeting the Achre Bruni. Aha, Yalan Media Ghana.